Hi, guys. Welcome to Graphic Mind Studio. Okay, let's begin. Step 1. First, duplicate the layer CM'd. Ctrl+J. Step 2. Convert to small objects. Step 3. Blend mode vivid light. Step 4. Image adjustment invert. Step 5. Filter odes high pass. Adjust according your image. Step 6. Filter blur Gaussian blur. Step 7. Create layer mask. CM'd Ctrl+I. Invert mask to black. Brush tool. Paint over problematic areas. CM'd Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E. Combine all layers into one. Spot healing brush. Do the final touches.